Hello everybody. So today I'd like to review the Rode Wireless Go microphone system. So this is really good if you want a wireless solution that you don't need to be dangling wires from your camera or from your smartphone. So this can connect directly to your camera, and if you want to connect it to your smartphone, then you'll need a Rode SC7 cable adapter. So let's take a look at the box together. So here's the Wireless Go. It says compact wireless microphone system, and then you see the pictures of the transmitter and the receiver. And on the side here, we see ultra compact wireless built-in microphone and 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission. And on the back here, we can see it talks about basically the same thing, and it includes a microphone inside that's built into the transmitter, and you have up to 7 hours of battery life from a full charge. And inside you will see the receiver and transmitter. You'll get 2 wind muffs or windshield or dead cat. You'll have 2 USB-C cables. You'll have a SC cable and a storing pouch. And on the side here, we see this model here has one of the microphones on the shirt and the other on the camera. So let's open it up and take a look. So once you open up the box, you'll see there is the storing pouch. There's something inside held together with some Velcro here. And let's see what else is in the box here first of all. So we have 2 wind muffs, which they can connect to the top of the microphone if you're outside in a windy condition. And you also have a cable which you can plug into your camera. And so this is a TRS cable, and if you need to connect it to your smartphone, you'll need to purchase a separate adapter called the Rode SC7 TRS to TRRS cable. Okay. And then we have 2 USB-C to USB-A cables. All right. And some packing material. And then we also have a quick start guide. All right, so I'm testing the audio of the Rode Wireless Go. So there are 3 settings on the Rode Wireless Go. There's the low, medium, and high settings. So right now I have it set to the medium, and I have the microphone clipped to my shirt just right here. And it's just the internally built microphone on the Rode Wireless Go. So there's no external microphones or anything. It's just using the Rode Wireless Go by itself. And I'm using it with my Sony ZV-1 camera on its default setting. So how does this sound? Let me know in the comments down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.